Litmus Chemistry classes. So in today's session, let us see how you should prepare for your upcoming board exam. So ಮುಂದಿನ ವರ್ಷ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇನಫ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇನಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ have a self confidence that you will and you can do very good in the upcoming board exams ಅನ್ನೋ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ you will get a very good marks ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು while preparing for your board exams. So please be confident enough. And the next thing is get a hard copy of syllabus. Go to NCERT website, download your syllabus copy and get it printed out. That means if you have a hard copy of syllabus, it will be very useful in order to prepare for your board exams. So you may have a question that, sir, we have already have a syllabus in our textbooks or the materials which has been given by your institutions or by your college anta helabodu. The thing is, if you have a hard copy of syllabus, you can underline or highlight the things and update the things day by day. So pratinitya, if you are going to college or if you are going to tuition, soon after coming back from your college or tuition, you can underline the or highlight the things which has been completed up to date. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಬೈ ಯುವರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಸರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಲ ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನಲಿ ದ ಎಜುಕೇಟರ್ ಮೇ ಮಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಸೊ you should not lose those things and you should be aware of that. So you should have a hard copy of syllabus in order to know that where you stand for. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಥಾಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬಿನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಡ್. So those things you should read. So that is the thing. Please get a hard copy of syllabus. And the next thing is planning. This planning for preparation for your board exams involve the two terms. Again, that is, one is the timetable, another one is the goals. So everyone has their own unique routine. ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಅವರದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಒಂದು ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. The thing is, please prepare and timetable according to your routine. ಸೊ ನೀವೇ ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್. ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು, ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅ ಡೈಲಿ ಗೋಲ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಅ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಗೋಲ್ or it may be a weekly goal, and these goals should be achieved with the help of your timetable. For example, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, this one chapter which I am going to study, I should finish that chapter within a day, within a week, or I have to complete these 5 chapters. For example, 5 chapters if you are preparing, you should have a proper timetable in order to study these 5 chapters, and you should also have a goals in order to complete these 5 chapters, and that is nothing but your planning. So planning involves the preparation of timetable in order to achieve your goals, and those goals must be a daily goal, a weekly goal and a monthly goal. Your daily goal is to complete 1 chapter, your weekly goal is to complete 3 chapters, and according to that, if you see the monthly goal, hardly will complete 8 to 10 chapters easily. That's the thing. So please have a proper timetable and set a proper goal according to your routine. So the thing is, please start planning from today itself. And the next point in order to prepare for your board exam is solving previous year question papers, that too chapter wise. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಿದ ನಂತರ then you should attempt these questions which has been already asked in your previous year question papers. If you do that, you will get a very good marks in your upcoming board exams anta helbodu. Please try to cover all the questions, that two chapter wise, which has been already asked in the previous year question papers. So, and the next thing is attention to non-core subjects. That a non-core subject is nothing but your language subjects. It may be English, Hindi, Kannada, Sanskrit, whatever it may be. Please try to have a proper timetable for that also, that non-core subject also. Because for example, if you get all your core subjects, PCMB for example, all PCMB subjects you have scored above 90. Above 90 you have scored very good marks in all the core subjects, but you have scored very less marks, that is below 70 or below 80 in your language subjects. Then what it would be? It would be result that you may lose 5 to 6% of yours by these non-core subjects. So please try to read this non-core subject also. The thing is, you will get a push in your percentage. That is the thing, but it is a percentage booster. So if you are doing 89, or if you are doing 88, or if you are doing 87, easily you will get a above 90% if you try to concentrate over these subjects also. But the thing is, it is not meant for daily or weekly. Once you have to read this in a month, you should read this subject also in order to get a very good percentage. In order to get a very good percentage, please try to look over these non-core subjects also. And the last and the foremost thing is the revision. So after being very confident with the start of this preparation, and after getting a hard copy of syllabus and being up to date in your syllabus also, and the next thing is planning, having a timetable, and also setting a goals, and next thing is also solving the previous year question papers of each chapters, and also reading the non-core subject also, will only result in the good marks if you do revision. So revision ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ you will get a very good marks. You may follow all these 5 points, and if you don't do this 6th point, that is revision ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ you will get a very less marks in your upcoming board exams, just because you have read everything. For example, 10 chapters ಇತ್ತು, there are 10 chapters, you have read all the 10 chapters, but you didn't revise it ಒಂದ್ಸಲನೂ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿವಿಷನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಆದರೆ, if you go for your exams, if you try to attempt the exams, there may be chances that you may fail to remember the things. So you may fail to remember the things. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. But if you do revision of all the 10 chapters once or twice, I can assure you that you will get a very good marks in your upcoming board exams. That means you will remember all the things which you have studied, and you will write it very well in your upcoming board exams. So please do revision. Revision ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು in order to get a very good marks, in order to prepare for your board exams. Please try to revise the things soon after completing the chapters. So for examples, in a month you have completed 2 chapters or 3 chapters, and in the next month, in the beginning of that month, you should revise all the 3 chapters which you have already studied in the past month. So that's the thing here. Please try to do revision ಕಡ್ಡಾಯವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. And the last and the foremost point is the distractions. This has been written separately. Why, I will say. The last point is the distractions. So these distractions may be by the family, by the friends, or by any mobile apps which you are using, for example games, or it may be a social media apps, whatever it may be. If you undergo these kind of distractions, or if you follow these trends, I can assure you that there is very less chance that you will get a very good marks in your board exams. Please try to avoid these kind of distractions in order to get a very good marks. If you want to follow all these 6 steps, I can assure you that you will get a very good marks. But if you follow only one step, that is a distractions, if you give more importance to these distractions, I can assure you that you will get a very less marks in your upcoming board exams. So ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ distractionsಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗಬಾರ್ದು. The thing is, please try to follow these 6 things, okay, in order to get a very good marks, and please try to avoid this part, there is a distraction part. So from next videos we are going to start the syllabus of both first year as well as second year. ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್, share and subscribe the channel, and also press the bell icon in order to get a further notification. And you can also follow us in the Instagram. The links are in the descriptions. Thank you.